Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Perforations by rockratzero. So we have normal Sudoku rules, 6x6 rules. So in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have crop key pairs. So when you see the word pairs there, that means that there's no negative constraint. It means that not all the dots are given. So black dots are separate cells with a 1 to 2 ratio. So if this was a 2, this could be a 1 because 2 is double 1, or it could be a 4 because 4 is double 2. And then white dots are consecutive. So if this was a 2, this could be a 1 because 1 is consecutive with 2, or it could be a 3 because 3 is consecutive with 2. But because it's crop key pairs, we can put a 1, 2 next to each other like this. There's no white dot, there's no black dot, that's perfectly fine. All right, so definitely check the description to try the puzzle out yourself first, and I am going to get started right now. All right, well, this is forced in a 6x6. The only way to have a chain of black dots like this is to have 2 in the middle surrounded by a 1-4 pair. All right, and so that should be a good way to start. So if this was a 1, we'd have to go 2, 4. That would work fine. So let's fill this out. If this was a 1, we'd go 2, and then we'd go 4, and then this would be a 3 or a 5. But we can't put 5 on a black dot, so it would be 3 with a 6. So that's one way this would work. Otherwise, this is a 4. And I think we should fill this also. Let's fill this first because it's exactly the same. That's probably where we should have looked next, but let's finish this off. So if this was a 4, this would be 3 or 5, but 5 can't go on a black dot, so it would be 3, 6, and then this would be 5, but 5 can't go on a black dot. Okay, so this has to be 1, 2, 4, 3, 6. That all works. This is a 4. That gives us the 1 and the 4 here. This has to be the 5. 5 in this column can't go on a black dot, so it goes here. We know this is going to end up a 1 or a 1, 2, and we know this is going to end up 3, 4. And then these, we need 5, 6 for the row, and so we know the order, 6 and 5. How about this black dot here? So 4, again, can't go to 5, so it has to go 3, 6 like this. This is 4 and 3. This 6 goes here in this row. And then the 1 goes here. Then we have a 3 and a 4 here, which we know the order. This is the 5, and this is the 2. We now have 1 and 2 resolved. 4 goes 3, 6 here. We've seen that before. That's the 5. And the rest should just be fillable. So we need a 1 here. We need a 4. And here is a 2. This row needs a 1 and it needs a 3. This one told us the order. And the box, we need a 6 and we need a 5. All right, nice and straightforward. I think I may have started to make it a bit more complicated by looking at this chain, but this chain actually does resolve by itself without needing this. So that's pretty cool that it only had one way to resolve. So thanks Rockrat for the puzzle. And if you enjoyed this content, then why not leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.